can't see anything in the display. Honestly, I cannot see. There we are. Now I can. Right, you might see that this belt every so often slips on this big drive gear here. The pinion gear, which is at the back, keeps on turning, but this big wheel here, which feeds the filament, isn't turning. So the belt is definitely slipping. I'll let this. Can I get a bit better light on this? It's slipping slightly there. If you look at it, now it's slipping now. See, the texture's moving, but the wheel itself is not moving. So it's not feeding. Now it's gripping again. And it's slipping again. This is only PLA, so the teeth on this drive gear are possibly wearing down. There is teeth on this drive gear. And obviously you don't want to stand here all day turning it, almost encouraging it to turn by hand. See there, it was slipping there. See, the belt is moving there, but the big drive wheel is not moving. You can see the little pinion sort of gear there. Probably see that that is moving. Sorry about the light here. Zoom in a bit. See that the pinion gear is going there, but the big wheel, big sort of drive wheel, and this goes through to the, like a hot bolt in there inside the feeding mechanism here. So obviously this is not ideal, and it's took me quite a bit to realise that this is going on, or for definite, and I've tried tightening up this belt as tight as I can. It's still slipping on here, so to be honest I think it's the teeth on the PLA printed part. Now, obviously if you print something a bit stronger than PLA it might be better. So belt drives maybe not as good as what I hoped it would be. This will supposed to have less play. So I'm working on like a geared mechanism, basically same, similar, I should say. Tight print head is going to be, this is going to open up at the top instead of the bottom, because I notice when I open up this, sometimes the bearing in there that presses against the filament, like the idler bearing, falls out. But if I open it this way, then it won't fall out, even though it does have some grip. You can see that it's turning there, and the big wheel is not turning. The belt's moving. See how it slips there? Sometimes it slips a little bit, and sometimes it slips quite a bit. Let you watch this go there, there. Let you watch this a little. There's a good one there. Right. So I'm working on a, not now. This isn't what. This is like the body of this. I'm printing out again, because I mean I'm going to leave this go now, because I mean it's good enough for testing. I just want to test this part for fitting and such, like make sure the stepper can fit inside here. I've made this stronger. Well, it will be stronger when it's printed out properly. So it's got like two sides to it. It did only have one side, but now with the other side it'll be stronger. I made it thicker at the base as well, because I've also noticed that if you're using a belt, well in my case, when I've been tightening it up, it's been like squeezing or pulling the big wheel towards the pinion wheel there, and it's been distorting the actual plastic that the stepper is on the back here. So that's something that I'm hoping that the gears, which I will print out possibly after this print, or I might do another print first before this print. But yeah, well, I'll probably do that first, because I need to get this sorted out for it to print properly. I mean, considering that slipping of the belt, it's what would term as reasonable. So you might think, sometimes you might think it's your hot end causing problems. That's not printing properly. It might be either your dry belts, it might be the hob gear. If you've got a hob gear like clogging up with bits of filament, check that, because that could cause slipping. It's moving now. You can see the text is moving, but the wheel wasn't moving there. Okay, so we'll be working on gear mechanism there. That has to be tested, printed and tested yet. I think it's going to be good enough print to use.